it's Makho Ndlovu, and we're at Black Girls Rock 2018. Now, as you can see, we're still setting up, so you're in for a very special treat. Now, some of your favorite celebrities, honorees, will be walking the red carpet. Who am I talking about? Naomi Campbell, Mary J. Blige, and of course, our girl, Janet Jackson. One of the biggest lessons I learned was that you have to fight for your own dream.
Do you have a favorite?
I sure do, and I'm almost ashamed to say it.
Go ahead.
It's Gretchen Wilson, Redneck Woman.
I'm a redneck woman. Mine's barbecue.
To welcome to the studio one of our favorite true R&B singers who is currently hunting for the next big thing in music. Monica. Hey, Monica.
Hello.
How are you? You're watching Essence Now. I'm your host, Makho Ndlovu. Please help me welcome actress Nomza Mumbata. Hey, Siswam. Oh, see. Listen, speaking of Twitter, I'm blocked on Twitter. Can you unblock me?
Oh no!
Can you?
Awkward
Okay,
moments.